Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Fellowship is not launching or keeps crashing on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions that should help you fix the issue quickly. Let's get started. Solution 1. The first thing you should do is repair your game files in case they got corrupted during installation. Open Steam. Go to your library and locate Fellowship. Right-click it and select Properties. Click on Installed Files on the left. Now select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and automatically fix any missing or damaged files. Once the process is done, try launching your game again. Solution 2. Sometimes the game crashes due to Windows permissions or full-screen bugs. Right-click Fellowship in your Steam library. Go to Properties. Select Installed Files, then click Browse Local Files. Open the Fellowship folder. Open Binaries. Open Win64. Find Fellowship Win64 Shipping.exe, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator and also disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now relaunch the game. This helps solve many startup and crash issues. Solution 3. Outdated GPU drivers are a common cause of launch and performance issues. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU, then select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to check and install the latest version, then restart your PC. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, make sure your drivers are fully up to date. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App, then open it. Click on the Drivers tab. Select Check for Updates. If there's a new version available, click Download and Install. After installation, restart your computer and try launching Fellowship again. Solution 5. Sometimes missing runtime files can cause crashes or prevent the game from launching. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download both VCRedist x86.exe, VCRedist x64.exe. Go to your Downloads folder. First, run vc_redist.x64. Click Yes, accept the terms, install, and then click Close. Don't restart yet. Then run vc_redist.x86, accept the terms, install, and finish. Once both are installed, restart your PC to apply the changes. Now launch Fellowship. It should open without crashing. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Fellowship not launching or crashing on PC. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment below letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.